Hi there. In this video, I'll be showing you the AI tools available to create resources with on Almanack. To access our AI tools, from the home page on Almanack, select AI tools. From here, you'll see that we have some sections available for ease of access. At the top, we have lesson planning, which will take you to all of our lesson planning AI tools, worksheets, study aids, assessment tools, tools for differentiation, class activities, games, curriculum design, and anything that's specialized for ESL and ELL learners. You can also look at all of our tools and search through most popular, new tools, games, and then our entire suite of AI tools. Tune into our future videos to see how to use our AI tools to create custom resources for your class. See you next time. Bye.